Hello everybody and welcome back. This is video number 2 of my Ju-87 Stuka dedication build. We start this episode with the marriage of the cockpit tub with its skin segment of the fuselage. A decent amount of trimming, sanding and repainting was needed to achieve a perfect result. Another little problem was how to give the control stick a good and stable holding. Here my solution. Okay guys, let's suppose this is the control stick and this is the floor of your cockpit. So normally you put in the wire in the hole, put some glue on this side, and most of the time you got a poor support of the control stick. So what I did was I cut it out, small piece from an eraser, then I glued it underneath the cardboard, and when it's right, just push in the wire of the control stick and you solve the problem. You have a very nice and tight fit. The next step is the completion of the fuselage and the tail section with its rudders, stabilizers and flaps. Finished that, we show the assembly of the wings, the tail wheel and the two front wheels of the undercarriage. We conclude this episode with a look on the model to show the construction progress so far. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video and don't forget to tune in again. Happy modeling! See you next time. Bye bye.